Unong aibut katanat social welfare uba polling do ulaang baki brio ki badan ki khmat ban pet henrei kim dan pat ya ka jingïohi jngai henrei ki bom yoi pat ki dan ka jingïohi jngai ki ba khraw ba ya ka ne ulaang ha ka program sa mi ki tiar ki bu ki balong ki scanner ya ki kot jing tho bat ki ba pin kala pat shaka bor yo sngo ka bala ru ban pin kala shaki khat pratali ki kintin ha ka ba ki brio ki bom la ban yoi ki la pat ban yo sngo kani ka jing sami ki tegi kibo ka dei tang shaki nong tei sarkar ki batre ha ka grade 6 ha ki office sarkar ha ka badaki ni ki tiar ken la ban tre kam ha ki kamra tre kam jongki ya kini ki tiar la samdo ba polling do kom okang san ha ka program sensitization on assistive technology and digital accessibility on government employees promoting an inclusive workplace for employees on visual impairment balapin long dakatana social welfare house so tham auditorium shlong haba phai shu shaka program uba polling do le yathu khanaru shaphang ka potri shaphang usep matla ubala tre shitom bat ubala yo ya ka bai nong ka jing tre shitom bat ula ongru babun ki bre ki badan jinga pher ha ki dakhat met henre ki kinjo bon ki jingjam la yo ka jingkran na secretary ka secretariat administration department uswap nil tembe IS uba Lapen yaki jaka balabu kerpang na kibenta ki brio ki badu ki boryoi nangta ka director social welfare ka Saluni Verma IAS ka balaong baka kloy banyetre lang hakino kino ki jingdan kam lakran lamprang da deputy commissioner for persons with disabilities ka kong Bridget Warshong lapdiang sobha do ba lingkor kinjing MCS commissioner secretary for persons with disabilities ka Patmashri Bertha Dakhar executive director Bethany Society Nangta labatai shaphang kino knowledge in a box da senior business development associate Kino Trust Labs Bengaluru Orishap Shakarpur but kikintin ay kuble naka under secretary katana secretariat administration department kokong bari akor dingdo
This is an appreciation from the Department of Persons with Disabilities. The Senior Business Development Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities in Malaysia, receiving a token of appreciation for his hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, she will be Bridget Warshong.
Right now, when we talk of secretariat next, next slide. So we do have a parking space which is dedicated for vehicles for the persons with disabilities. But as you can see, there are some vehicles parked in front of it, and that is always the scenario. We have to tell people these tactile tiles all across the additional secretariat and also the main secretariat to ensure mobility to all those with visually impairment. Next. We do have all these signage also, thanks to the PWD department who have ensured that. Next. And also the room numbers and all that, everything we have incorporated in the braille sign. Next. And we also have a lift for those with locomotive disability. Next. So these are the compliance to the act which is there, but the point of today's program is that we need to go beyond this, beyond all this, for ensuring physical access. There are some things which are missing. Next. I am also the director for our state ATI, which is MATI, Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute. And I was, yesterday I was just asking my assistant directors, do we have a program, special program for the visually impaired, probably reading assistant, because we need to
not be able to accomplish. She wrote books, delivered lectures at various platforms, and made friends with residents across nations. More importantly, she made sure that nobody would look down or treat people with disabilities as inferior or lesser in any manner. first showed symptoms of blindness and then lost his eyesight totally by the age of 2. There is certainly no barrier that any human being is not capable of overcoming. Therefore, my brief message to each one of us, and especially to persons working in various government offices, having these disabilities, that your disability in no way takes away from you the potential that you can unleash as a human being.